Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Hope everyone's doing well tonight. I'm glad you came to visit me. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Tonight I am answering a challenge from Olga at Smart Art Materials. She's put out a challenge to do a paint kiss pour using warm colors and cool colors. So I've picked out my warm colors, which I have a ultramarine, put some of that in here. I have a cobalt blue, and I have a turquoise. Put just a little bit of white on top. I'm sorry, I'm not doing this in front of you. A little bit of white in there, and then another small layer. I have an 8 by 10 inch canvas, which only takes about 4 ounces of paint to cover. And I already have my white base down. Now for my warm colors, I picked out a metallic berry. Put some of that in there. This is a Quinacridone Magenta. And then I have a light magenta, which is a nice pink. And again, I'm going to put a little bit of white in there. I'm going to go one more small layer. Okay. And now I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that I can do this well. So it takes a little finesse. You need to do it very slowly. Get close to your canvas. And get your paint to come out at the same time. So very slowly. Holding my breath a little bit. It's going a little faster than I want it to. Comes a little bit of that white that I put in between. Oop. I had a little less blue of my cool colors than I did of my warm colors. So, I'll stop there. I think I have plenty of paint on the canvas. So pretty. I like the way it blends together and feathers together at the edges. And get some air bubbles out. Okay. Let it sit there and spread a little bit. And move it around slowly. I'm going to try and widen up the lines in there so we can see a little better definition in the colors. Some nice little cells coming out in the middle of it. Bring my paint back to the center here. And I'm going to stretch it over this way. Another part of the challenge is to leave some negative space on your canvas. Bring it down towards me a little bit. Try to open up some of those lines. Now my paint is mixed with Floetrol and water. I don't have any silicone in it. Just kind of getting some cells in there. It's likely from the Floetrol. And let's take a look at it. I think I'm going to cover that corner over here. Bring it down. Get some of that ultramarine blue to come out, stretching those lines out. There it is. You can see it now. And when I stretch it back, they'll open up a little bit more. I can see I have something in there that does not belong. Let's see what I can do about getting that out. Might be able to pour it right off. It's just a little tiny thing. And there it goes right over the edge. Okay, bring it back a little bit. See if I can get that centered. Some really pretty lines in there with the white blending with the blue. Really like them. Okay, liking that. It's very pretty. Bring it down a little bit so you can see. Kind of want to do something with the edges. Let's see, take one of my skewers. Just kind of leave some of this out. Maybe do some of that over here. And I'll take a straw and blow it out a little bit. Okay. Just want to gently push it out. turn it so I can get this side. Over here I have some of the magenta mixing with the blue. It looks really cool. There, I like that. Really soft looking. Okay, so there we go. Let me kind of bring it up to the camera so you can get a close-up look of it. After I give it a little torch, I can see a few little air bubbles in. I'm going to get rid of. Okay, and there we go. Pretty happy with it. Really like right here where those blues come together. There's a few little cells happening. And it goes into the magenta colors and up. And the center is really neat looking. So there we go. That's for Olga. Thank you for the challenge, Olga. I appreciate it. It's a lot of fun. And everyone, thank you for visiting with me. And have a good night. Bye.